In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this problem. Now, in this problem, what happens is when you try to watch a video on YouTube, it says something went wrong and you need to tap to retry. Now, before I teach you guys how to fix this problem, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's start. So the reason behind this problem can be your internet problem. So just open up your airplane mode and turn it on and turn it off. And after doing that, what you can do is you can check your Wi-Fi's connection. Now, if your connection is well and it is working just fine, what you can do is just go to your settings. And after you're on setting, go to general and then go to iPhone storage. Now, after doing that, it will take its time to load. After it loads, go to YouTube and just tap on Offload app. And after you tap on Offload app, just tap on reinstall again. And after it reinstalls, just go back to YouTube and try to use it. And you'll see that you'll be able to use it without any problem. So that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix this problem. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.